Hey guys, welcome to another reading. Alright, so this was a requested question for the collective reading. So, if you have met this person or spoken to this person, how did this person feel about it after this last conversation or meeting? This could be like a couple of days ago, or it could even be a few months back. Let's see how did my viewers person feel about their last meeting or conversation. Heart fork, open heart, and emotional storm. This person, breaking point is the underlying energy. This person is feeling very overwhelmed after this conversation or meeting because this has created this turmoil in them. This has created this emotional storm in them where they don't know what to do. Their emotions are really messed up about how to deal with this situation. They're feeling very vulnerable, and this is kind of overwhelming them. There is a possibility that this person is not able to deal with these emotions, and this person might just reach out to you very soon because I feel they're not able to handle this whole situation anymore. Was this person feeling emotional after this conversation? Releasing twin flames and possibility. See, they definitely felt very good about this conversation and after this conversation, but yes, there is a lot of emotional chaos like we saw earlier as well, and they are trying to release that emotional chaos as well. This person is mirroring you, so they see you as a very strong connection with this twin flame energy, but also they're like your reflection here. Whatever you're feeling, sensing, doing, that's exactly how they are also feeling in their heart space. Let's see, is my viewer's person missing my viewer after this last conversation or meeting? Commitment, finality, lusting. They're definitely missing you. They don't know what to do here because maybe they made it look like that this is the end of this connection. They hid certain things from you, and that is what has created some problem between the two of you in some cases, I feel. But this person is definitely missing you. They feel like there is some sort of, you are leaving them behind or something around that, but lusting is like you're really wanting you there. Let's ask, do they want to reconcile? Does my viewer's person wants to reconcile with my viewers? Depth. They're aware that this is a strong connection. Family and confusion. Perspective is the overall energy. See, they are trying to look at this connection with different perspectives. For them, there is this connection definitely holds a lot of value, but at the same time there is something which is creating this uncertain energy in them. For some of you, pregnancy could be significant, parenthood could be significant, family could be significant, but there is something that is causing confusion. It could be for some of you a family member or family could be creating this confusion here, but this person definitely values this connection a lot. Will there be a reconciliation between my viewers and their person? Confessions. They have to tell you something, or maybe they did not tell you something, and that is why that was the breaking point in this connection here. Abandoned. They abandoned you. They're longing for you, definitely. They want you. They're craving for you, but they're not willing to come forward. See, I do see there is a possibility of reconciliation here, but at this point this person is hiding certain things, and that's the reason they are running away. They are abandoning you because they don't want to confront certain emotions and feelings and certain situations. All right, let's see, will my viewer's person take a stand for my viewers in front of other people? Hoping, obscurity, and divine masculine, cloudy judgment. Guys, I don't know what to do with your person. This person is like very irritating. So this is a 50-50 for me. I'm going to clarify with one more deck, but here I feel that they want to pave a path here with this hoping energy. but they want to do it in a very discreet way. They are, I don't know what stops them constantly, because they want to take an action, but then something is there which pulls them back. They want to come into this divine masculine energy where they say that, okay, I'm there, I'm going to provide and protect here, but will my viewers person take a stand for my viewers? What can we know? The Fool. This is again a very careless, carefree attitude. Three of Wands and Devil. I don't know. They want to do the right thing. We have King of Swords as overall energy, but there are these fears which keep holding them back. Let's see if they will be able to let go of these fears. Will my viewers person be able to overcome these fears? Two of Wands, they're trying. They just keep trying. Four of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. See, I do feel they will overcome these fears. For some of you, it may take up to 9 weeks, and for some of you, it could take up to 9 months. When I say 9 months, it's not like 9 months. It can be any time before that, but then 9 is the number which is prominent to me here in this whole situation, this whole thing. So, yeah, that was the reading, guys. Thank you for watching.